We've tested close to 30 drones in the last 6 years, highlighting 8 top contenders in this review. After hundreds of hours of flying, we can help you find the best model for your needs and budget. Our consultations with professional drone pilots allowed us to find the most adept flyers, our in-house professional photographers and videographers helped us find the most cinematic, and our panel of newbie pilots revealed the most user-friendly. Whether you're an experienced aerial videographer or a new pilot, our testing results will help guide you to the right model. Number 5. DJI Air 2S. 1 inch image sensor equipped with a 1-inch image sensor and large 2.4 micrometers pixels. DJI Air 2S is capable of 5.4K, 30 fps and 4K, 60 fps video. MASTERSHOTS. The next evolution of quick shots. Master Shots is an advanced intelligent feature that gives users the best shots in any location with just a tap. The Center of Attention Focus Track features Spotlight 2.0, Active Track 4.0, and Point of Interest 3.0, making it a breeze for DJI Air 2S to follow or circle your subject. 1 billion colors. The 10-bit D-Log-M color profile can record up to 1 billion colors while retaining all the little details that make footage pop. 7.5 miles max video transmission. DJI Air 2S features DJI's most advanced O3, OcuSync 3.0, image transmission technology, giving you an ultra-smooth, clear, and reliable image feed every time you fly. Environment Sensing. DJI Air 2S has the ability to perceive its environment in 4 directions: up, down, forward, and backward, allowing it to actively avoid obstacles, even in complex scenarios and at high speeds. Number 4. DJI Avata. Experience the thrill of flying. Enjoy total immersion and intuitive control with DJI Avata. When you combine Avata with the goggles and motion controller, flight becomes accessible to all. Flight has never been easier. With the DJI motion controller, intuitive flight is in your hands. Squeeze the trigger and bolt forward or turn a corner with the swivel of your wrist. Ultra-smooth 4K footage. Avata features an upgraded camera system so that no extra attachments are needed. Enjoy next-level imagery with the 1/1.7-inch sensor, 155 degrees FOV, and flagship stabilization. Palm-sized and agile. The lightweight and compact design of Avata makes it easy to carry and more capable of agile maneuvers. Fly between gaps, though branches, and take it with you on any adventure. Be bold. Fly far. Avata offers an impressive 18-minute flight time and upgraded safety. With the built-in propeller guard, it can handle minor contact, stay in the air, and keep on flying. Backed by flagship transmission. Get a sharp and responsive HD live feed with DJI O3 Plus video transmission at distances of up to 10 kilometers. Number 3. DJI Mini 3 Pro. Carefree creation. Weighing less than 249 grams, Mini 3 Pro doesn't require registration in most countries and regions. The foldable and compact design also makes it easy to carry on any adventure. Operating temperature. -10 degrees to 40 degrees Celsius, 14 degrees to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Seriously pro shots. Capture your world in remarkable detail with 4K, 60 fps video and 48 megapixels photos. The advanced camera system supports dual native ISO and f/1.7 aperture for high-quality imagery, night and day. Perfect portraits in a tap. The redesigned DJI Mini 3 Pro offers true vertical shooting for portrait shots, ideal for social media. The gimbal rotates 90, so you don't have to compromise image quality. Sweet airtime. Enjoy an extended flight time of up to 34 minutes and capture and explore more of your surroundings. Fly with confidence. DJI Mini 3 Pro features tri-directional obstacle sensing and APAS 4.0, bringing unrivaled safety to the Mini series. Create and share on the go. DJI Mini 3 Pro offers an extensive range of intelligent features including focus track, true vertical shooting, master shots, time-lapse, quick transfer, and more. Includes DJI RCN1 allowing you to pack light and enjoy the creative experience. Number 2. DJI Mini 2. Act light, fly free. At less than 249 grams, it weighs about as much as an apple and fits in the palm of your hand. Compact and convenient, this small drone is your ideal travel companion, transforming how you capture your favorite memories. 3-axis gimbal with 4K camera. A 12MP camera in the sky delivers content guaranteed to impress. Along with 4K 30 FPS video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal, Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous your piloting gets. OcuSync 2.0 video transmission. Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of HD video transmission and has excellent anti-interference capabilities, giving you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. Powerful performance. With a max battery life of 31 minutes, Mini 2 grants more than enough time to compose the perfect shot. Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters, so your footage is stable even when flying along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3. Imaging above everything. With a 4/3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, the sensor provides a 12.8 stop dynamic range that retains more details in highlights and shadows, upgrading your work to a professional level. 46 minutes of flight time. Stay in the air longer and capture more with a breathtaking max flight time of 46 minutes. This lets you get all the shots you want on just a single battery. Fly safer. DJI Mavic 3 drone with camera is equipped with advanced omnidirectional obstacle sensing. This lets you fly confidently and safely wherever you are. Explore and capture more. The DJI Mavic 3 drone offers a 15-kilometer max transmission range, which means you can fly farther to explore and capture more. And with the O3 Plus transmission system, live feeds are smooth and stable. Smart return to home. With a new advanced RTH system, Mavic 3 camera drone can return to its home point on a fast, safe, and optimized route. Whether activated by low battery or the pilot, getting the quadcopter drone back to you during flight is easier than ever.